How to fix copyright claim on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, head over and open up the TikTok application on your screen. And you need to just go over to the video or the audio and look out for like who has reported that. So you can directly head over to the users of your particular uh, copyright. So if somebody has claimed the copyright of your videos or audio, you can just go ahead and look out for the users directly and message them in order to unclaim the copyright. Another thing you can do is you can just go ahead and use any other sounds available. So we have different sounds available on our TikTok that are free to use and which do not have copyright. So if that particular user has claimed copyright on that audio, you can find different alternative audios in TikTok itself. So you can just go ahead and look out for those kind of audios and see if that works or not. Another thing is you need to have a personal account. So if you don't have a personal account and you have a business account and you're using the audio of other people, that also leads to that situation. So head over to the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, open it up and go to settings and privacy. And from settings and privacy, you need to go over to account, tap on it. And then once you tap on account, you should be finding switch to business account option. So right now mine is personal account, but if it is on business account, you can find an option of switch to personal account. Just follow the prompts and that should do it. So you can follow up this method in order to fix that issue. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.